the Nykaa Pink Friday sale that is going live right now, which is this time because मैंने इस टाइम चीजें प्लम की बहुत फेमस है मार्केट में. What is content all about? Then let me give you a quick brief about this. Perfect substitute to those Korean milky toners जो थोड़े से expensive चले आते हैं but high product on the internet right now. Packaging looks so luxe and premium in this affordable range. All the shade range from pink to brown to reds, the texture, the acne problem, the enlarged pores, everything has been settled out using these. Hey you all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ekta Sharma, a full-time content creator. I generally make videos regarding beauty content and lifestyle on YouTube and Instagram both. So today's video is going to be all about the Nykaa Pink Friday sale that is going live right now. I know you guys must be aware of the crazy discounts that are going live on Nykaa. So without any further delay, let's get into the video and the products that I have purchased. So this is the box, the only box that I have purchased this time because मैंने इस time बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ भी चीज़ hoard नहीं किया है. I just purchased the things that I wanted to try out or I have to stock up. Without any further delay, let's open this box, right? Okay. Obviously मैंने पहले खोल लिया था due to excitement, you know. तो सबसे पहले आता है ये फ्रीबी जो मुझे अपने परचेज पे मिला है. दिस इज फ्रॉम प्लम, देयर टेंडर लविंग इक्लेयर ट्रायो. इस 3 चीजें आती हैं, द बॉडी वॉश, बॉडी मिस्ट एंड देयर बॉडी लोशन. ये तीनों चीजें प्लम की बहुत फेमस है मार्केट में. बट इनका जो फ्रेगनेंस है, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इट इज मोर टूवर्ड्स स्वीटी चॉकलेटी सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्रेगनेंस एंड आई एम नॉट द पर्सन जिसको ये फ्रेगनेंसेस पसंद आती है, स्पेशली द स्वीट वंस. आई लाइक मोर दैट इज ऑन द सिट्रसी फ्रूटी साइड्स. So, but अगर आपको ऐसी fragrances पसंद है, going to love this one. So the next come is this Hyphen Hydrating Ceramide Toner that is a perfect substitute to those Korean milky toners जो थोड़े से expensive चले आते हैं, but it comes in an affordable range. Under 500 आपको easily Nykaa की सेल में मिल जाएगा. I'm already using this previously also, but ये मेरा खत्म हो चुका है, so I have to restock it up. अब बात करते हैं इसके texture की. It is very milky in texture, but at the same point very लाइट वेटेड. ये बिल्कुल हैवी नहीं लगेगा स्किन पे. ड्राई स्किन एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन गर्ल्स आर गोइंग टू लव दिस वन. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर पास्ट almost 1 year and this is a staple in my skincare. Once you start using it, there is no going back. The next, this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour tinted serum, the most hype product on the internet right now. I guess I have not seen a single person that doesn't rave about this. But I didn't get a chance to try this once because जब भी मैं इसको लेने जाती थी या खरीदने जाती थी, ये हर टाइम आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता था, especially this shade 4 to 5 medium. But this time I got a chance and I instantly grab it out. If you guys are wondering what is skin tint all about, then let me give you a quick brief about this. Skin tints are just like a moisturizer or sunscreen, but it has a very sheer coverage that it gives a luminous glow on your skin. At the same point, if you don't like the heavy textures of foundations and concealers, then skin tints are just for you. It can be used in your everyday makeups, your party makeups or wedding guest makeups. There are many other brands जिसमें skin tints launch किए हैं and recently I have used the House of Makeup skin tint also and I just love the finish it gives to my skin. It's just like your skin but better one. Obviously I am going to make a dedicated video on skin tints, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that video is something that you don't want to miss. The next product is this Inside Cosmetics Kajal, क्योंकि आजकल Instagram पे हर कोई इसके बारे में बात कर रहा है, so I thought why not to try this one. This is very affordable. The packaging looks so luxe and premium in this affordable range. I just love the packaging. I'm so impressed with Inside Cosmetics with this particular product, and the pigment is just the jet black that we all need. Also, it is waterproof. So definitely I'm looking forward to it. The most viral product in the market, Mask Cosmetics Mousse Matte Lipstick. Again, ये जब भी मैं लेने जाती थी हर टाइम आउट ऑफ स्टॉक होता था. Got it in the shade Style Icon 02 because इसके बाकी सारे shades again out of stock थे. So I have to grab this one. I really like the pigment, the finish. Definitely looking forward to using. Lakme Iconic Eyeliner, the OG in the market, I must say. मैं हर बारी जितने भी eyeliners use कर लूँ, I still come back to this one. This is the perfect jet black eyeliner that is waterproof, smudge proof and gives a perfectly matte look. Loved it. Now comes to the skincare. Plum Vitamin C and Niacinamide Serum. The perfect staple in my skincare routine. It has literally changed my skin a lot. The texture, the acne problem, the enlarged pores, everything has been settled out using these 2 products. These 2 are the must if you are facing such problems, if you are having closed comedon especially, then niacinamide from Plum is the savior. guys, you have to try this one. Last but not the least are these Big Beauty matte liquid lipsticks that came in the pack of 9 mini lipsticks, and it covers all the shade range from pink to brown to reds. Each and every shade is covered in this variant. इसके अलावा दो और variants भी available थे, you can check them out too. Now I haven't used any of the lipsticks from Big Beauty, but Insta पे I have seen a lot of people talking about this. So thought why not to try this once, because I haven't used any of the product from this particular brand, so I'm excited to use this out, and also the reviews are very surprising to me. Looking forward to have a good review about this. This was all for today's Nykaa haul. The Nykaa Pink Friday sale is still going live on Nykaa app, so grab yours favorite now with such crazy discounts. And I'll be testing these all products and will be uploading the reviews very soon on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss that out. Do like, share and comment if you found this useful. Till then, see you in the next video.